Alright, so I'm going to do Hasbro's Hammer Time with a 5.56, 50 meters, iron sights. So this is going to be a train wreck. I probably will just annihilate Mario, and if I hit anything, it's just going to be a miracle. Here we go. Yeah, I can't even see Mario. I got a general idea where they're at. Ah, I can't even believe I'm trying this. There's three more below those two. Then there's three more below those. Let's see, that's about 3/4 into the tape. And three more right above the tape. And then the coins are about an inch above that. Well, there you have it. Well, here's Hasbro's Hammer Time with the 5.56. I'm probably the only knucklehead that tried it with iron sights. I'm sure I could probably find a somewhat cheesy scope laying around, slap on it and try it again. Just referencing where the images were off of the camera and the fact that the sight post covers up most of the paper. I was in the general vicinity. And I only took out 2 Marios, so that's not too bad. It was fun nonetheless.